If you're living in the USA, if you're planning on getting a professional monitor before the end of the year, stick around because this is going to save you a lot of money. Hey guys, and welcome to a special short video. Now, some of you guys may know that I'm a BENQ ambassador. I've been using their product for many years. So I contacted them and said, is there anything you can do that is nice for my viewers, right? So what they decided to do is come up with a special promotional discount code, in this case for the US only. That's what I have to mention here. And it's a 10% discount on a number of PD BENQ monitors. So professional grade monitors, 10% discount. What you do is you follow the instructions below and you will get 10%, right? You use the promo code MikeHermes19. Like I said, it's valid until December 31st, so don't wait too long. You'll get 10% off. So this is gonna save you a lot of money, right? So check it out. Hope you enjoy that, and thank you, BENQ.